Mortgage rates have been trending down for 7 straight weeks and recently hit a low point for this year. And if you've been holding off on buying a home, this could be your moment to jump back in. Take a look at this. The drop from just over 7% to the mid-sixes may not sound like a lot, but here's why that's a big deal. On a $400,000 loan, your monthly payment could be over $100 lower per month. That's real money back in your pocket. But rates move fast, and there's no guarantee they'll stay here. It all depends on what happens in the economy. What I can say is this: if you're ready to move, you've got a window of opportunity right now. So, would a lower payment make buying feel more doable for you? Let's break down the numbers and find out.